Here goes. Oh, okay. It feels good. I'm like feeling the hair, and I don't know. I don't think my hair feels like this. Hey y'all, today I'm so excited to finally do this video. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Curls. The clip-ins, I've been seeing so many social media ads, so I'm not gonna lie, work with me, whatever funnel they've been using to advertise these clip-ins, they have been calling me over and over. So I finally ordered them from the website, and this is how it came in this FedEx package. It came fairly quickly. I'm going to put a description of how long it took from the time I ordered it. You know what, I'll just look it up. I'll just look it up and tell you in a minute. But so yeah, it came in this FedEx package, this white package that was inside the FedEx package. So here we have it. Okay, here it is. It's in this pretty orange curls bag. So we'll see. So what I got, I ordered the 14-inch thick. So on the website it says if you want a full head to get a thick or two normals. So what I got was the thick and the 14 inches, and it's 10 bundles in the thick package. And the reason why I got the 10 bundles, the thick one, and it tells you actually what you got. So if you try to say you ain't get it, they like, nah, this is exactly what you ordered. So it does tell you what you ordered, which is nice because I ordered this a while ago. So it's good to actually have a reminder. But yeah, so I got the 14-inch. The reason why I got this one was because I plan to I don't plan to, like right now, the front of my hair is out, but the back is in braids. So I actually plan to wear just the front edge centers of my hair, wear that out, but I'm still going to keep the back in braids. So I didn't need a lot of hair. And I also wanted it to bloom my natural hair. The way they have this hair done is that means when it's curly, it's actually 7 inches, but 14 inches is the measurement of it being straight. So my natural hair is about 14 inches straight. So 7 inches curly is basically how they calculate the actual measurement. So even though it says 14 inches, the curls itself is going to be half of that. My shrinkage is not half, so it's not that deep. So when I wear my hair out curly, it's probably like 8 to 10 inches. But when it's straight, it is about 14. So I wanted to get a realistic look because I want to have this for my business videos and just my natural look when I'm working. So I don't want like a big head of hair. I don't want heavy hair. I don't want the too long of a hairstyle for my everyday look for work. So that's why I ordered the 14-inch, because I wanted to like literally look exactly like my hair. So if it does, then that's a plus. So then it has extra clips thingies. So I guess I'll figure out how to use that. It comes with a booklet, curls.com. So inside the booklet it says unboxing. Each package contains hair, satin storage, which is nice. I guess this is the satin storage, so this is where you're supposed to store the hair, which is very thoughtful because curly hair should be stored with satin or silk. Contact customer service. Oh, okay, preparation. So it tells you to wash the hair, condition the hair, and do all that stuff before you wear it. So I will also do a video showing y'all how I prep the hair and actually style and wear the hair. But this is just the first part, which is going to be an unboxing and showing y'all what it looks like straight out the package. So here goes. Oh, okay. It feels good. I'm like feeling the hair, and I'm trying to think, when I think about my hair, does it feel like my hair? I don't know. I don't think my hair feels like this. I don't think my hair feels like this, to be honest. But it does feel good. It feels nice and soft, curly. It does feel thick. I can't believe these is 10 bundles. They got this tightly packed. Everything is in this. But yeah, these curls, like when they come, they're definitely tight. Like really tight. And I don't know if this, to be honest, I don't know if this is 14 inches straight, because my hair is straight, I guess it's about this length. Yeah, my hair comes straight like to my bra. Okay. So this is what it looks like, y'all. This is what it looks like. It smells good. It smells like factory hair though. It smells like hair that's been processed in some way. But I do love the kinky look of it. bouncy. So we'll see. It comes like that, like so. I've always wanted to say that, like so. I don't know, I guess I feel like other people say it and it just sounds so cool and so different and so, I don't know. Anyway, like so. So it comes like so. So I'll be back. I'm going to go get some scissors so I can cut this and then so y'all can see how it unbundles, I guess. So I will be right back. All right, so I got some scissors, so I'm gonna cut this off. Being very careful because I'm not trying to cut this here. All right, so the plastic is off. The zip tie, so they were zip ties. Okay, so let's make sure all 10 bundles are here because that's what I paid for. Okay, taking the hair apart right out the box. It's not complicated, it's not difficult, which is nice. It's definitely tangled like my hair when my hair is together. So this is one. I guess this is the long piece. That's one. So 2 long pieces. So that's 2. Three. 7 inches short. Is this really 14? Oh, okay. So that's 3. They promised 2, so we will see. So that's 4. Oh yeah, this definitely will be enough. And it does say, it does clarify, a thick is going to be enough hair if you have a small to medium size head. I think that's subjective. I think I have a small to medium size head, but who knows? Somebody may look at the back of my head and be like, dang, girl, your head is big. So I mean, it's 4. All right, 4, 5, starting to get smaller. 5, 6, 7. So these probably will go all the way in the front when you're trying to hide. 8, 9, 10. I'm impressed. I must say, I'm impressed. So this is all the hair, so I have to go prep it. So that's that. Looks good. I can't wait to use it. I can tell it's definitely gonna blend in with my hair for sure. It looks kind of like my hair is like dark brown. I'll even give y'all a close up of my hair. I don't know if y'all can see the color of my hair, but that's my hair. And these are the clip-ins. So my hair visibly doesn't look brown. It looks more black. This hair, it's like a mix of both. Like it does look dark brown. But I do think that it looks kind of brown too. So hopefully when I wash it and condition it and then also do the same thing to my hair and put some gel in it and blend it in, hopefully it all blends. So just stay tuned so I can let y'all know what the prep is like and then what it looks like when I do the actual hair and put it in my head. So that's about it. How I'm going to be using it for the most part, again, it's just protective styling. So I won't be like doing like full head of hair. I may just do like 2 buns right here and then have the back out and clip-ins. Again, my goal is to keep my hair in protective styling for at least the next year. Every few weeks, take it out, wash it, detangle it, twist it back up. Like right now, it's in a protective style and I only have this part of my hair out and then the edge part right here out. Everything else is in braids. So this is typically how I like to keep my hair, protective styling. Because I went from long to short. I dyed my hair, I did highlights. I've experimented so much with my hair that I'm just ready to kind of leave it alone, let it grow out, and then I'll maybe in a few years decide if I want to lock it. I've been thinking about getting sister locks, but it may be too long for sister locks by that time. I don't know a lot, as you can tell. But what I do know is that I'm just taking it one day at a time and I'm going to keep my hair natural, leave it alone. And I've also been really busy lately with business, with work, with the kids, with family, with planning. So it's just a lot less time to actually do my hair than I had previously when I was doing all that experimenting. So nobody got time for that. your girl is busy trying to, you know, secure the bag, okay? I ordered it on November 2nd, and then 3 days later, it was actually shipped, and then it arrived to my house 4 days after that on November 9th. So the total process was 7 days. Especially during this coronavirus, I have to say that's pretty impressive for me to have ordered and received my clip-ins in just 7 days. From, mind you, it is coming from China, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, China. So pretty impressive. So yeah, and I'm also gonna do a 3-month check-in and a 6-month check-in. They said this hair should last at least a year if you take good care of it. I plan to take care of it, keep it in the satin cap. I plan to do all that. So if for some reason this hair don't last, I will let y'all know. Okay. All right. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.